warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. It's a very important video because for the last, you can say 3 to 4 months, I keep on making videos on sociology, but our examination is drawing near, so we got less time than a month. So I just want to change my strategy. As I mentioned in my previous video, that I have already completed the whole syllabus of AS levels, and I keep on mentioning in AS levels we got two papers. In paper one we got two chapters, and in paper two we got only one chapter of family. So what I'm planning to do next in the remaining days, see, this is the book you people must have, or you can download from anywhere it is possible, because from day after tomorrow I'm going to start past papers, and it's topical. What is topical? It's all about the different topics, and in topics we will explain different scenarios. I will tell you something. For instance, if there is a definition of 2 marks, how can we get a good marks? Are we can able to get 2 by 2? So you, before I get started with the topical, you need to have this book. So if you people have this book, it will be far more easier for me and all my viewers to have a good preparation, and through topical, we will be able to have a very good practice. It will be far more easier for us to attempt a paper. There is a term which is normally used in O levels or AS level, which is which is mark scheme. So if you people are understand what is mark scheme is all about, then we will able to get good score or marks in our paper. I just need to skim through one thing just to give you an idea. For instance, tomorrow or the day after tomorrow, we will start with a paper like family. For instance, I just give you an example for that. So there are different questions like define the term kinship, 2 marks. So through topical we come to understand how what we supposed to write, and how we are able to get good marks, a good grade. Second, for instance, describe 2 ways in which the role of parents may vary between society, 4 marks. So how we can prepare ourselves for examination to get 4 by 4 marks, even it is possible to get full marks. uh, like explain why family have become more child center in some societies. So basically this is important to prepare this book, through which we will get good marks. But important thing is that before I get started with this book, I just give you an idea. Just take a day or two to wrap up the chapter family. So if you people have a lot of knowledge about the chapter family, then it will be easier for me and for you to understand how to attempt mark scheme, how to attempt different question answer. Otherwise I can simply skim through this is useless. I simply skim through the whole data and just try to explain you, because all the things which is already explained in my previous lectures, so then it will be wasteful. It is recommended for all of you to skim through the chapter family. You people have to do 2 days, for 2 or 3 days. For that, you try to make notes. I'm very in favor of making notes, because if you people have points, bullet points are the notes, are the key points. We can simply stretch those bullets are the key points. We can simply go and explain. We can discuss with each other through Zoom or any other device, other applications or software. So keep practicing, and it is recommended. Please do give proper time. At least for my point of view, if you people spend 3 to 4 hours every single day, 3 to 4 hours every single day, and you can simply watch my videos, and then after at the end we will go with the mark scheme. I am more than sure, inshallah ta'ala, you will be able to get a star or A plus if it is possible. So you need to hard work, keep on working hard, and put the result on Allah the Almighty. Hopefully, inshallah ta'ala, we will get what we are looking forward to. Take care of yourself till tomorrow. Fi amanillah.